like a Hellcat.
Alright, this will be the second video. This is my brush case, and as you can see, like, the brushes can just move, and I don't want the bristles banging into the wall of the case, so I'm going to take this foam and I'm going to measure up a little piece to fit into each section, maybe 2 or 3. I'm going to glue them down and cut out some slots to sit the brushes in to hold them in place. So we're going to get at that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay the foam right beside the case. And I'm going to take a marker and I'm going to put a line so that I know how high I need to cut the foam to sit almost to the whole top. I'll probably trim on the bottom edge of it. But we'll do that now. I'll be right back. So as you can see, I cut out a little square and it sits right in the middle of this, nice and snug. And it sits right to the edge. I can still close the case. So I'm going to trim this into some little cubes. And we'll push a couple little slots to put like maybe 2 or 3 brushes, depending on the width of the brush. And then I'm going to glue them down in place. We'll be right back again. Now you can see I got them all cubed up. They're just sitting in place for now. We're going to go heat up the glue gun. I'm going to take them back out before I glue them in. I'm going to take them out and put in a little bit of cut a little bit out so we can slide our brushes into them. I'll show you how I cut out the last square. Just make sure you're doing it the right way first. You want to go about 80% of the way down. Don't go all the way through. Be careful of your fingers. You can wear a Kevlar glove too or something, which is probably a good idea. So I got my cuts down most of the way. Then I take a little X-Acto knife and kind of pull it open and get your blade all the way in. And just cut out one side and turn it and pull it. Same thing. And it'll just come right out. We'll do that on the back side. Don't want to go too low. I don't want to cut them apart. And then I still have to glue them all down. I haven't done that yet. So there we go. It looks like that from the side. And it sits right in there nice and tight actually. Now we can grab some brushes and set them in between it. You'll have to make sure the width you cut is actually tight on the brush handle or it's not gonna hold them in place. You know what I mean? Like that one would be too loose, but this one's good. That's pretty much all my brushes. But yeah, like it will not move right now, which is nice. The only thing I'm going to do is, these still aren't glued down. I'm going to go glue these down. And then I'll show you guys when it's all done. Alright, so I finished gluing it. You can see the glue holding them in. And they don't move at all. So if you got brushes and you don't want to damage them when you travel or go out somewhere, it's a great way to do it. I bought the case for like $9 at Michael's craft store. And obviously the foam I had just found lying around in like scrap material. Hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos.